Come, let's sing our ABC and feel the joy it brings to us. Let's all sing the ABC and learn to say the sounds. Okay, let's begin with A. A says ah, like an apple. Let's say B. The sound of B is ba. B begins with the letter B. C is the third letter and it says cool. Car begins with the letter C. D is the fourth letter. Letter D says duh. And dog begins with D. Let's go down to letter E. E says in egg. E is for egg, our favorite breakfast treat. F says for a fizzy sound. Frog begins with F. G is the next letter, so round and cute. And G says G. G is for grape, so juicy and sweet. H says huh, a breathy start. House begins with H, and H is for ha ha ha. I says I, short and bright, a letter that is straight. And I is for igloo, cool and white. J says ja, with a jump, and jar begins with J. A letter that looks like an umbrella handle. K is Dex, and K says key like her. K is for kid, a baby goat, so spry. L says la la la, smooth and long, and lamp begins with L. M is a yummy letter. M says and M is for mom, the best around. N says min, nice and neat. N is for nod, you nod when you like something sweet. O is a round letter. O says O in orange. Orange begins with letter O. P says pa, a popping sound. Pet begins with the letter P. Q says qua, quirky and quick. Queen begins with the letter Q. R is a roaring letter. The sound is rolling strong. And R is for roar, just like the lion's song. S is a hissing breeze, and S is for sun, shine with ease. T says ta ta ta, crisp and true. Train begins with the T. U is a vowel letter. It says in up. Up begins with U. V is the next letter. V says vibrating fun, and then begins with the letter V. W says wavy and wide. Wind begins with the letter